Hi, my name is Ray Singhal. Welcome to my website and the South Florida real estate market. I have assembled a team of experts who can help you sell, buy or rent a home in South Florida. The communities we serve include Boca Raton, Pompano Beach, Fort Lauderdale, Lighthouse Point, Lauderdale by the Sea, Coral Springs, Coconut Creek, Plantation, Deerfield Beach and Boynton Beach. Buyers and sellers can benefit from a proven track record of success. Please feel free to examine my resume on the website. We are also short sale specialists as we assist homeowners requiring a short sale. A short sale today requires experience, resources and a team of professionals to get the job done. Explore our website and read my daily short sale blogs for the latest information. We can help. My team and I have over 15 years of marketing and selling experience in local real estate, and we hope that you will choose the single team for all of your real estate needs, because with the single team, we are not number one, you are. Click on the property search link